Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my first video. Today, we are going to be talking about the channel, Stella, the Golden Retriever. And there's going to be a vlog at the end, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And so, this channel is going to be about me and Stella going on adventures to dog parks, to regular parks, maybe some swimming, cooking, and then whatever else you guys think is cool. Maybe some exploring. But a little bit about Stella. She's a 1.5-year-old Golden Retriever. She is a rescue, and she can only have toys like Bones or an indestructible ball. So that's a little bit about Stella, and she's also adorable and crazy. So make sure before we start with the vlog, you hit that like button, you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video, because I'm going to be posting a lot. So now, let's get on with the video. See ya. I'm crazy. Another fun fact, she is crazy. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the vlog part of the video, and it is storming right now, so let's hear what Stella has to say. Stella, any thoughts? Oh, she's so cute. I don't really think Stella has a very big reaction. Here we go. So, what do you think? I wouldn't be surprised if the power goes out, though.
Power's not getting on.
Really?
Stella is helping clean the dishes, obviously.
Yeah, she has to help clean the dishes. Gotta get all the plates, huh? No. Yeah. We just got done eating breakfast. It's 12 right now, and it's doing toys. So, fun fact about Stella is that she tears up every. Oh, you want your? Here, I want to try to get her to. You want your passy? Call it her passy. Oh, she carries it. Oh, she's nervous. Poor puppy. Poor puppy. I'll give you some huggins. Yeah, it's okay. I have. She just like. Are you freaked out, kind of? Come here. You want a treat? Well, I think she could use a treat. So, you want a treat? Here, let's go and get you a treat. I might turn on. I don't know if I should turn on these hall lights. I don't know how well it is. Stella's.
Once you got your passy?
That's how you hold your passy. Yeah. All right. Ready? Sit. All right. Ready? Sit. Dance. So. Sit. Dance.
She went in circles for you.
Oh. Stella, what do you think? Nothing? Okay, ready? Wash your hands. All right, hold on. You gotta wash them. All right, good. Sit. Good girl. All right, guys, that's it for the video today. And make sure hit that like button if you liked the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Say bye.